Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to safely borrow money from Zenith Bank app, and make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. What you're going to do is not the actual phone app, you just need your phone. Head over to the dialer option and you're going to dial star 966 star and the amount. Let's say you want to borrow $1,000, so you're going to put in 1000 and then star and then your account number and then at final hashtag and then call, and this should be done from the phone number that you use to register your bank account. And then it's going to ask you that why do you need this, do you want to send this money, or do you want to get a loan. So you're going to follow the on-screen instructions. You could also dial star 966 star 60 hash and select option 4, and you can create a cardless withdrawal code, and to do that you need to do the option 7, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.